Next, on dividing rupees 200 between A and B such that twice of A's share is less than 3 times of B's share by 200. So A's share is 120. What is the question? 200 is the total, means both of them in total have 200. Now A's share you do it twice, B's share 3 times, and then subtract them. The answer, the difference is 200. So let A's share be x. So B's share would be what? Total is 200. So B would be 200 minus x. Right? If A's share is 120, B's share would be 200 minus 120. Right? Same logic. So what is given? Twice of A's share, 2 into A, equals to 3 times B's share by 200. So B's share 3 times and then subtract 200 from them. Then you get the answer of twice A's share. So 2A equals to 3B minus 200. Right? Solve this. What is A? X. So 2x equals to 3 into 200 minus x minus 200. Solve this again. 3 to the 6. 600 minus 3x minus 200. Take x on one side. So first solve this. 600 minus 200 is 400 minus 3x. And here 2x as it is. So take 3x on this side. It becomes 2x plus 3x equals to 400. So 2x plus 3x, 5x equals to 400. X equals to 400 by 5, that is 80. So A's share is 80. So what we want? So A's share is 80. And what is given? So A's share is 120. So that is false. Because B's share is 120 actually. 200 minus 80 equals to 120. So this statement is false.